Oh, now.
Is it working?
It's recording,
Oh.
Dip Dip. This is my bag. Teresa's holding my purse.
It won't come off.
It's fuzzy. This is Teresa.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, that's funny. Oh god, you just gotta do it again.
Do you really want me to?
Yes. I'm like bopping all over the place.
I'll quit bopping.
I got
Should I stick my hips out more?
Yeah, hold on, I gotta back it up a bit. Hold on, Angela's leaving, so we need to hurry.
Alright.
Back the fuck up.
Sorry. You can't back up much further.
Okay, go.
Ready? Going to the store. Okay, bye!
You're such a queer. Oh, fuck, Teresa.
I'm a little gay boy.
Go pick
How
up.
do you wear these things?
They just sit on your arms like that and you
Doesn't
walk.
that ever get
Annoying? Yes, it does. And like the straps always fall down. Just walk around. Do the little girly walk. Shake your hips. Go. Bop your hips. Fuck. I'm putting this shit on YouTube. You realize how many hits we're gonna get? You're gonna look like a little boy carrying a purse.
I fail.
That's okay. It's super fuzzy.
I could totally stand like I was at Danny's.
When?
Wait, let's try this. See how this would look. Ready?
Sit down on the chair and cross your legs.
Hold on.
You look like a total flamer when you do that. It's unbelievably hilarious. Cross your legs. There you go. That's the way to do it.
Oh, I'm so good.
I don't know what to do. I just want to put a bunch of makeup on you. And
No.
totally just record me doing it. Oh, that'd be the life. And yet you still have my purse on and I'm wondering why.
Because it's like totally gay and I'm like a little gay boy.
Oh, that's proof. Suck